Alcatel unveiled a low-cost, large-screened Android for one of the smaller carriers in the US, MetroPCS. The Alcatel Fierce XL will cost $139 when it launches on November 2nd. It will be available on T-Mobile Alter this winter too. The phone has an 8MP main camera plus a 2MP selfie camera, which are bundled with Polaroid photo editing software. The Polaroid camera mode will enable a variety of filters and borders, including the iconic Polaroid border. Single, double, and multi-shots can be assembled in custom layouts with time, location and note added. The Alcatel Fierce XL features a 5.5 IPS screen with 720p resolution, 267 ppi, and runs Android 5.1.1 Lollipop. At its heart is a Snapdragon 210 chipset, quad-core Cortex-A7 at 1.1 GHz, with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of expandable storage. The phone supports up to 150 Mbps LTE speeds along with VoLTE, HD voice, and Wi-Fi calling. The smallish 2,500 mAh battery is good for 12 hours of talk time. A smartphone has to be more than a respectable list of specs, it has to deliver an engaging and value-focused consumer experience, and this is where Fierce XL delivers, said John Marron, Vice President of Marketing and Communications for Alcatel onetouch.